Hello everybody, how you guys doing? But besides from that, today we are going to be doing a speed build of this place. I'm gonna try to make a cute place for this place. That kind of sounds something. Anyways, I am not sure what I'm gonna do for this. Maybe like a little, I don't know, fashion store. I'm gonna try to do that, but let's just begin, shall we?
I know what you'll say. You say, oh, someone you know. But I promise you this, I'll always look out for you. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Say I say my heart is yours. It's you that I hold on to. Yeah, that's what I do. And I know I was wrong, but I won't let you down. Oh, yeah, I will. Yes, I will.